Okay, good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. Bare luz, muy buenos dias, magandang umaga. So I'm doing this video on two problems. There was a request for me to do two problems on page 551, numbers 8 and 12. For these two problems, you're going to be using the sum formulas for tangent and sine. So remember, those formulas are on page 545 if you want to look at them. So starting with number 8 here, I have the majority of the work written down. So what you want to do is you want to take 165 degrees and break it down into two angles that are on your unit circle. So you can see 120 and 45, both of those angles are on your unit circle. They add up to 165. So if you look at my next step, then I use the tangent formula, the addition formula for tangent, replace 120 and 45 in the correct spots. Then from the unit circle, I got the values of 120, the tangent of 120 and 45, replaced them here. And then this is where I'm left with. So then you go over here. All you need to do is rationalize by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this. I didn't have enough room to do the work here, but you guys can use the FOIL method for the numerators and denominators. Then you should end up with this answer right here, rad 3 minus 2. Okay, so to quickly summarize, break this down into the addition of two angles that are on a unit circle. Use the sum formula for tangent, and then replace the values of the tangent 120 and 45 in the correct spots for this formula. Okay. Now the second problem I was asked to go over. This is number 12, and you have the sign of negative 5 pi over 12. 12, it is not a denominator that is on your unit circle, so I think the best thing to do is convert this to degrees. It's going to be easier to think about this in degrees. So I have the correct conversion ratio here, and I cross-cancel the pi's. 12 goes into 180 15 times and multiply, so you end up with negative 75 degrees. Okay. So then I converted from radians to degrees. So remember, the sine is an odd function. So when you take the opposite of the input, the output comes to its opposite. That frees me up. So now I just have 75 degrees. And just like in the previous problem that I went over, you want to break this down into the sum of two angles that are on your unit circle. So that's 45 degrees and 30 degrees. That adds up to 75. Okay, always keep the negative sign from here on the outside. And then you use the addition formula for sine. So here I have it here. And then replace the specific values from the unit circle for these 1, 2, 3, 4 trig expressions. So there it is right there. You can simplify it from here. I didn't have enough room, but in red, here's the answer here. Your book has this answer, but these are equivalent statements. So you just factor out the negative and put it here, and these are equivalent. Okay. All right, continue to email me any questions that you have on your assignment that is due next week. Either today or tomorrow, I'm going to post more lessons for those of you that are very speedy. And remember also, if you're taking calculus next year, make sure that you are working on Mrs. McKellion's calculus packet. All right? All right. I hope you guys have a great day, and hope you and your family are staying safe. La Veronina, que tengan un buen día, and wish me luck. I'm going to go out on the streets looking for paper towels. All right, take care, everybody.